Have you been asking yourself how to install Windows 11? If the answer is yes, then you are at the right place, because I will guide you through exactly that: Windows 11 installation process. The first thing that we will do is to navigate to Windows Update settings. Go here to the left into the search bar and type in Update and click for Check for updates in System Settings. Right now you will need to check for updates because Windows 11 installation requires all Windows 10 updates installed. So I hope you guys have all the Windows 10 updates installed already. And when the checking is done, go here to the bottom to the Windows Insider program. And as you can see, I have some error right here. So I will go to Diagnostic and Feedback Settings, click right here, and check this optional diagnostic data. Check this, go back to the Windows Insider program, and as you can see, we don't have this error anymore, and click Get Started. So for this to work, you will need to have a Windows Microsoft account, which is completely free, and you can create it at their website, and you will need to link it with your computer. So click to link an account, and I will pick here Microsoft account. Now just sign in with your Microsoft account. Click Next and type in your password and click Sign In. And I will choose right here Microsoft Apps Only. So pick your insider settings. We can select right here 3 channels: developer channel, beta channel, which is recommended, and release preview channel. Right now Windows 11 is currently in the developer channel, so we will select developer channel right now. So click confirm right here, confirm with this agreement, and I will pick restart later. Now minimize your settings window, and now I will show you one more tool right here. Microsoft also decided to remove their Windows 11 compatibility tool. Instead, we will use one alternative, which is also open source on GitHub, which is called Why Not Windows 11. And this tool works like a charm. So right now we will download this latest version, scroll down, and as you can see, we have Why Not Windows 11 Exe. I think this tool is great, but also you can check this for your computer is compatible with Windows 11. But currently, if you are in Windows Insiders, the Windows 11 installation doesn't actually require anything that is listed on this list, and you can install it without any security issues. So without that compatibility problem. So I think this is quite nice, but in the official release, I think they will need to, that you will need to have all the requirements to officially upgrade to Windows 11. So as you can see, I don't have actually all the things green, so that's completely fine. We will just right now restart the computer, and then we will update Windows 10 to Windows 11. As you can see, we successfully booted up our Windows 10 after agreeing with Windows Insider terms. Now go back to the Windows 10 settings, update and security, Windows Insider program, and as you can see, we are currently in developer channel, but you can also choose other too. For now, we will choose developer channel because Windows 11 is currently only available in development channel. So right now you will need to check for the updates, and the Windows 11 development build should pop up and update your Windows 10. And as you can see, Windows 11 is currently downloading. Thank you all for watching this Windows 10 to Windows 11 upgrade tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and eventually upgraded to Windows 11. And if you did, subscribe to the channel is much appreciated. And also Don't forget to like this video, and if you are interested to other Windows 10 and Windows 11 tutorials, check out my other videos. And with that being said, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I see you all in the next one. Peace.